In this video I will show you how to edit Moody Brown preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to -10. Highlights bring to -70. Shadows to +50. White to -10. And black to +10. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. +20 for vibrance. And saturation to -30. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Saturation to -30. And luminance to -30. Next go to orange. Saturation to -40. And luminance to -20. Next go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -60. And luminance to -30. Next go to green. Hue to -100. Saturation to -60. And luminance to -30. Next go to aqua. Hue to -40. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -30. Next go to blue. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -30. Next go to purple. Saturation to -50. And next go to magenta. Saturation to -50. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +25. And dez to +20. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 12 and saturation to 10 of highlights. And hue to 40 and saturation to 10 of shadows. And done. Next go to details. Sharpening to +10. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.